Ryan here, and today's lesson we're going to go through the difference between offset and redraw facilities. There's some key differences between the two, and it's very important that you understand the differences before you deep dive into the loan product selection. So I have created a quick diagram that I go through a lot with my clients, so we can talk through the differences between the redraw and offset accounts. And I'm just going to get my pen selection tool out here. Look at that go. Okay, so in this diagram, we have a client with a $500,000 loan and an offset account with a $25,000 balance. Now, an offset account. An offset account is just a fancy word for a transaction account. The only difference is it is linked to the variable rate loan in the background. Therefore, as per the diagram, $25,000 in the offset account attached to a variable rate loan of $500,000. You're only paying interest on $475,000. Now, the thing I like about offset accounts is it's a normal transaction account, meaning you can have all your income going into the offset account and all your expenses going into the going out of the offset account, I should say. Now, the downside to an offset account, typically speaking, they come with annual package fees anywhere between $180 all the way up to $400. Now, a redraw facility. A redraw facility achieves exactly the same thing at the end of the day. However, the $25,000, instead of it sitting in a separate account like it is down here, it's going to sit directly in the variable rate loan. Meaning, if you ever need to access that money, you would then need to transfer it out of the variable rate loan to the transaction account, to a transaction account, I should say, which is a bit more of a manual process compared to the offset account. Now, if you like set and forget and don't want to have to move your money around when you need it, an offset account probably suits you best. A variable rate loan with just a redraw facility typically comes with lower annual fees as well, so be mindful of that too. Now, I guess the negative of a redraw facility, it could lead to some taxation complications down the track, and I'm not going to go into those today, but would obviously recommend you receive some advice in regards to which structure suits you best with your overall intentions on the property. Well, I hope that has provided some clarity on the differences between the two. Please, as always, reach out to us if you need any advice on your individual circumstances. Look forward to talking to you in the next lesson.